Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best induction cooktops to upgrade your kitchen with speed, efficiency, and precision. Whether you're cooking a gourmet meal or just need a quick, reliable way to prepare your favorite dishes, these cooktops offer top-notch performance and modern features. We'll review the top models, their standout qualities, and why they're a great addition to any home. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to transform your cooking experience, let's get started. Number 5. IKEA FÖRNEBO Induction Cooktop. The IKEA FÖRNEBO Induction Cooktop, with its integrated extractor, is a game-changer for modern kitchens. Say goodbye to bulky overhead hoods and hello to sleek, space-saving innovation. This cooktop redefines efficiency and style, delivering powerful performance in a minimalist design. Sleek, smart, and seamless. The standout feature? An automated extractor that adjusts its power based on the heat level. Cooking pasta or browning steak. The higher the heat, the stronger the extraction. This integration not only enhances your cooking experience, but also ensures your kitchen remains fresh and odor-free. Number 4. GE Profile PHP 9030 Induction Cooktop. The GE Profile PHP 9030 30-inch built-in electric induction cooktop is the ultimate blend of performance, style, and innovation. Designed for modern kitchens, it delivers precise control, rapid heating, and advanced safety features, all wrapped in a sleek, easy-to-clean design. Powerful precision at your fingertips. With 4 induction elements, the GE Profile Cooktop offers unmatched cooking efficiency. The PowerBoil 11-inch 3,700-watt induction element boils water in record time, saving you precious moments in the kitchen. Thanks to digital touch controls, adjusting heat levels is as simple as a tap, and the surface remains cool to the touch for easy cleaning and added safety. Smart cooking for every occasion. Whether you're frying pancakes on a griddle or simmering sauces in smaller pots, this cooktop adapts to your needs. The Sink Burners feature lets you connect 2 7-inch elements. Number 3. Bosch 800 Series NIT86 60UC. The Bosch 800 Series NIT86 60UC 36-inch induction cooktop is a sophisticated blend of precision, power, and smart technology. Designed to elevate your culinary experience, this 5-element cooktop offers cutting-edge features and a sleek, frameless design that complements any modern kitchen. Equipped with 5 induction cooking zones, this cooktop provides the flexibility to handle anything from small saucepans to large stock pots. The Auto Chef feature takes the guesswork out of frying, maintaining precise temperatures for consistent, professional-level results. Need speed? The Speed Boost function delivers extra power to quickly bring water to a boil or heat dishes faster, saving you valuable time. For those delicate tasks, the Short Boost function is perfect for evenly heating oil or cooking with non-stick pans. Smart convenience at your fingertips. With Home Connect, you can monitor and control your cooktop remotely, ensuring you never have to worry about whether you left it on. The Direct Select Premium interface makes it easy to adjust settings for power, cooking zones, or additional functions with just a touch. The Cooktop Hood Sync allows you to control a compatible hood directly from the cooktop, simplifying your kitchen setup and improving ventilation, versatility, and precision. The PotSense technology automatically adjusts each cooking zone to match the size of your cookware, ensuring even heat distribution and energy efficiency. For convenience, the Keep Warm function lets you hold dishes at the perfect serving temperature with a single button. Style meets functionality. This frameless induction cooktop features a sleek black glass surface that's easy to clean and visually stunning. Its minimalist design pairs effortlessly with any contemporary kitchen aesthetic. Number 2. Samsung NZ30A3060 UK/AA Smart Induction Cooktop. The Samsung NZ30A3060 UK/AA Smart Induction Cooktop is a perfect blend of innovation, speed, and style. Designed for modern kitchens, this 30-inch 4-element induction cooktop offers cutting-edge features that streamline your cooking experience while adding a touch of elegance with its sleek black stainless steel design. Say goodbye to overboiling and uneven heating. This cooktop's precise temperature control adjusts instantly to your desired setting, ensuring consistent and accurate cooking results. Whether simmering a delicate sauce or searing meat, you're always in control. The Power Boost mode takes performance to the next level by rapidly boiling water or heating food when time is of the essence. With this feature available on all 4 burners. Number 1. GE Profile PHP 9036 Induction Cooktop. The GE Profile PHP 9036 SJSS 36-inch Induction Cooktop is a masterful blend of cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and powerful performance. With 5 induction burners, a minimalist black ceramic glass surface, and intelligent features, this cooktop is a standout addition to any modern kitchen. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.